टेस्ट सीरीज का क्या पर्पज होता है? टेस्ट सीरीज हैज गॉट दी 4 or 5 डिफरेंट पर्पजेस. 1, I want to judge and evaluate my performance as compared to the other students. What is my rank and how many marks I am getting, and what are the score and ranks of the other students. So where I stand. This is one. But this is not sufficient. Second is I want to learn from my mistakes. Whatever mistake I am doing in test series, I should not repeat in the final exam. So I have to be judgmental. I have to analyze my test series paper after coming home. Test series you have given in exercise. इसको घर ले जाइए पेपर को, फिर उसके सॉल्यूशन से चेक करिए. How many are correct? How many are wrong? You have to see why it is wrong. Where you made the mistake? What mistake? Please note down that mistake. Right? Keep writing in your diary. This is the mistake. This date, this paper, this is my score, and these are number of mistakes. Write it. Next Sunday when you give the second test of the test series, please go through the previous mistakes. ये गलती हुई थी, स्पीड कम रह गई थी, अटेम्प्ट नहीं कर पाए थे पेपर, and this was misreading, this was miscalculation, I reached late, I could not concentrate, I could not revise before attempting. So do remove those weaknesses before you go into the next test. So you start doing this exercise in every test. धीरे 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 जो आप मिस्टेक्स की जो लिस्ट है ना वो कम होती जाएगी. इनिशियली नंबर ऑफ मिस्टेक्स वेर मोर, धीरे धीरे वो लिस्ट कम होती जाएगी. उसके बाद फिर अब जब आगे जाएंगे, then the third is those questions which you are not able to attempt. वही सेम PYQ की तरह. So those questions which you are not able to solve, with the solutions, learn. Mark in the test papers this question, this question, this question, underline, circle, comment, or underline in the solutions. Keep this marked paper and solution with you. And before the examination, please do revise these marked questions of all the test. इनको रिवाइज करना है. उस समय सिर्फ एक बार पढ़ के जाएंगे, फिर एग्जाम में कर लोगे, याद आ जाएगा. So the same approach to be followed in PYQ and same approach to be followed in test series. Fourth, test series is meant to practice and develop your strategy which you would like to adopt in final exam.